Yo, what's up all my charge people? Been a long time still. Yeah, no, apologies y'all. Been busy and stuck at work, so, and just try and get the time. You lot know how it is, but we're here, we're gonna get going. But before we even get going, yeah, do me a favor, I'd love to be YouTubing full time. Go hit that subscribe button, y'all, yeah, and let's get into it. So, as the title says, how to fit a strut brace. Do you know what, I don't know, I find it a bit difficult finding a strut brace for a Mark III Supra, but we managed. So before we even get started, let's give it a good old little clean. It's going to add a bit of bling, not just that, the handling is going to be a lot better. You may ask, what is this for? I assure you, yeah, I still ain't fixed the struts. That's a job to do. Oh, is that strut brace actually going to fit there? What we'll first do is loosen off these ends. Nice and flappy. Yeah, do you know what? That might not actually go. Whether I can put it underneath, I don't think so. And to be fair, I don't look right there. Hey? Well, looks like that's not going to happen. So, let's just go out for a drive. Unless it's for the rear. So, as you all saw, try fitting the strut brace in the front, but the holes don't seem to line up. Now, we're going to try it in the back. And yeah, don't watch that is all messy and nasty. It's an old car and that's how it was. I haven't got the valeting machine. Maybe I'll get that soon. But what we's going to do is strip that back and everything, and it kind of seems like it makes sense that it goes there. And do you know what, I may just out. From what I can remember, I'm pretty sure there's some screws or something back there. Right, just kind of looking like that. Roughly, that does look like it's for the rear. So I'm gonna get this all stripped down. Seems like a bit of a mission, but hopefully it should be worth it, because it will tighten up the chassis. And yeah, let's just do it. I'm gonna strip this all back and then see if that lines up with that. If it does, happy days, we'll fit it up. Seems like a bit of a mission just to get this strut brace on. Where's my toolie gone?
But then I guess I get to check behind these rear panels if they're good, which I hope they are. So I've just taken out the screw from there, just loosened it up some more, but as you can see, 1, 2 from there, and then maybe take that out from there. So yeah. Right, I was going to try cutting corners by like just try sliding that out from there, but do you know what? For the sake of a few more screws, I'm going to just get that out as well, because yeah, I don't want to break it. But it's nearly there. Couple of more screws and I'll say we're gonna practically be there, y'all. There you go. For the sake of a couple of screws, it's practically nearly out from there. Also, I found a spanner. Ho-ho! Gonna take this out and see what else is there. Yeah, I need to take this out anyway because I dropped a screw or a clip, and yeah, it's good to just check it anyway, you know. Fingers crossed that's clean. Oh yeah. Not bad. What do you all think? What the? I don't know. But that's what I was after. We find it. Woohoo! Now let's get that back out. Turbo. Right. Got that out from there because there's a screw there, so I didn't have to take this off, but hey ho, you learn about the car as well, you know. Might have dropped the screw down there, but look at this. We have complete exposure, yo. That looks like it just unplugs from there, like so, and nothing is broken, yo. That's the way to do a job, you know. Ooh, and we can see through here. What the? Ah, rust. And we find a bit more rust. I hope they got rid of that properly. Back to what we came here for. Fitting this strut brace, you know. And look, it is for the rear as well. So does that mean, shall I strip that down and put the strut brace in and leave these out? I've got to think about this now, but that definitely is for the rear. Right, I may not be able to have them panels in there, but at least that will go in there. We'll put the parcel shelf back in here and you won't be able to see none of this. I don't know how much of a difference this is going to be making because I've never had a strut brace for the rear, and to be fair, this would be my first Supra, and yeah, I'm going to put that one in anyway. Then I'll be getting one for the front. Let's get going. Right, once you've decided shouldn't I strip out the rear, and yeah, you do. that fits, which is good. I'll show you now how to fit in after all that.
So that's how you fit the rear strut brace. Soon we're going to be fitting the front one eventually, but we've got a lot more to do to this. We've got a manual conversion coming in, so yeah, keep tuned for that. It's going to be awesome. Shifting gears, yo. Cheers.